To use the floor plan feature, start by creating and naming the location. In this example, I'll be naming the location Austin, Texas, and the devices will be located on the second floor. The next step will be to visit Device Management to ensure the Omni sensor you'd like to drag and drop on your desired floor plan are assigned to the specific location. Click the pencil icon to edit the device name. I'm going to do this device by device, but then go ahead and click the pencil to assign and edit the location and floors. Now that we have 3 Omni devices assigned to the Austin location, we're ready to upload our floor plan. Click Floor Plan in the Dashboard menu, and then select the desired floor in the floor list. Click Upload to select the blueprint or map of your floor plan from your computer. Please note the file size limit is 2 megabytes and the supported file types are PNG and JPG and JPEG. Once the file has been uploaded, click Save. Then use the device list in the left side area to find the drag and droppable devices. Please note the pushpin symbol indicates the device is already being used in another floor plan. I'm going to find my 3 devices and drag and drop. So we've got Austin Kitchen, drag that over, then click Save. Austin Conference Room, drag that over, then click Save. Austin Conference Room 2, drag that over, and then click Save. Let's hit Save one more time just to ensure all of my edits have been saved. When we visit Metrics and switch from Grid View to Floor Plan View, we're able to select the second floor, and then we can now review the floor plan that we just uploaded with all of the associated devices. In the upper right hand corner of the floor plan, you can select the error factor that you'd like to monitor and watch the device color change on the floor plan depending on the error status for that sensor. You can also click the device to expand the details, as well as click the arrows to scroll to other device sensor details in this location.